If you want to remove Samsung account on your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then first of all we need to go to settings. Next, in the settings we're gonna scroll down and we want to go to accounts and backup over here, and then choose manage accounts. You should be able to find your Samsung account, so we can tap on it, and then we have the remove account option, so choose to remove and then confirm your choice. Here we have the option to keep contacts or keep the profile if you want to. I'm actually not gonna do that, I'm just gonna sign out, and then we need to verify that that this is our email. So of course we want to get the email and of course finalize this. Once you open the one-time permission page, then you can simply go back and you should log out after this. You may also be asked to use a password instead, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!